right, we're gonna go for a little cruise, top down, in a 1969 Mgb Roadster.
Yep, nice day for a cruise.
It sure is. Little rag top, little two-seaters, mini sports car we like to call them. It's got a 1798 cc motor. Let's call it 1800 cc. 4-speed transmission. Really nicely cared for. The guy that owned this car had it for over 20 years. One of our best customers. Super nice guy. Took care of it, maintained it. Had a rebuilt engine not long ago. We have a stack of records and receipts for this one. But he really took pride in ownership. Member of the MG Club. He's had a few of them over the years.
Yeah, it drives well.
Nice, huh?
Yeah, it drives, shifts well.
All the gauges work. Everything's nice and clean. Got a choke right there. You just pull the choke out a little bit, fire it up, boom. Purrs like a kitten. He added the wire wheels, which are expensive and nice. Got the real knockoffs on there with a hammer to knock them off, the lead hammer. This is one of the years with the triple windshield wipers because the windshield was so low. They wanted to make sure you had enough coverage. Nice bright red paint job on there. Older paint, but still shows well.
Oh yeah.
Fresh chrome, re-chrome bumpers, front and rear. What's nice is you can still get parts for these things. If you want to keep it the way it is, keep it nice. There's a place called Moss Motors. They have everything for these. And they're local here in California. But it's got a nice soft top. It's got a unique tonneau, which I've never seen. It's a hard painted red tonneau that goes on there if you want. Kind of gives it a cool look.
Yeah, it drives well, that's for sure.
All right, here we come for some pictures.
All right, check out this 1969 MGB. Nice red color. They got a 1798 cc engine, 4-speed tranny. This one's got some really nice knockoff wire wheels. Great shape. Previous owner had it for about 20 years. And you know, he's got all the records and receipts. And I think the motor was rebuilt not too long ago. And this car runs really well. These cars are fun to drive. It's a perfect day like today out in California. Nice and sunny. Take it out for a cruise, top down. I'll show you the interior. Seats are really done up nice. Got red piping on it. Dash is in really good shape. There's all your gauges. Little three-spoke steering wheel there. Really nice. And we got pictures of what we took of the top up. So I don't have to put it back up right now. But yeah, this car is a really cool car. And a small bumper, which, you know, after a few years after, they went to the big bumper, you know, to protect our lives. And they just didn't look the same. All right, here's the power plant here on this MGB. You know, as you can see, the dual 38mm SUs. 1798 cc, 4-cylinder. Really in great shape. Looks nice under the hood here. Got a little auxiliary oil cooler there. And that's always good to have. We're going to fire this car up and let you take a listen. Yeah, sounds good. Alrighty, we'll take a little listen to the exhaust. Yep, definitely sounds like a little British sports car there. We got this car available here at California Cars. We're located in Simi Valley. 818-591-1313. You can speak to Rich or Gary. More than happy to show you this car. Super fun, super nice, and well taken care of over the years.